Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $3085.345, trading at a level of $3085.345. Okay, and chances are high we can see there can be a further upside. Okay, because we have seen it has already made a new high, all-time high. So if you look at this trend, there is a higher chances of going further upsides. So what you can do is you can trail your SL. Okay, trail SL, so your profit will be saved. Okay, if the price started going high. Okay, but when you start your trade, if you are starting now, always try to put your SL. Okay, so your capital will be saved, because see, the market is uncertain and I've explained you that whenever it is making a new high, a good fall comes. Look at these trends. A good fall comes in these trends. Okay, so chances will be high that if the price started falling below this level, that means if it started making an all-time high, suppose if it made at a level of 3100, so it bounced back from this level. Okay, because if you look at all these trends, we have seen a downfall. That is where it swing form and make a new high again. So you have to understand that if you are in profit, try to trail that and save around 70 or 75% of the profit. If the market turns around, you will still get a good amount of profit. Okay, and if it's turned out, you can again trail on the downside, so that your profit will not be, or capital will not be wiped out. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index, see, dollar index is playing an important role. Now what we have seen, after making a half around $104.8, it came down now. Okay, so creating this particular trend towards downside. So chances will be high that if it started falling below a level of $103.8, there will be a further chance it will fall further low and will move below a level of 103.2, because this is already weak resistance, weak support. So chances are high the price will fall further down. It can touch a level of 102.7, and from there a further fall towards 101.8, and if the price started going below this level, a further downfall towards 100.5. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $100.1, and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, so chances of moving further low will be there. But if the price sustain above this level, chances of going towards 104.4 will be there, and if that sustain, it will cross a level of 104.8. Okay, and these are the levels where resistance are already weak, so we can see a further upside movement. So chances of touching 105.8 will be there, and if that sustain, a further upside towards 106.5, and then we can see a further upside movement. But when I'm saying that the dollar index started going upside, okay, chances of gold or silver and crude will go down. Okay, chances are high. But if the price of gold dollar index started going down, we see that gold, silver, crude price goes up. Okay, but sometimes they both moves in same direction. Okay, so whenever you start to put the SL, so capital will be saved, and once in profit, try to trail it, so profit will be saved. Okay, now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, looking at the gold price, chances are, I suppose if the price sustain this level, it can move towards 3100 to a level of 3120 to a level of 3150, and started going up 200 also we can see. See, you have to keep trailing your SL. If you're trailing your SL, you can save your profit. Okay, so keep trailing your SL by $5, so chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, okay, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of around 3059. Okay, this is the next support we can see. If the price fall below that level, we can see next support at $3053. This is support 2, and once started falling below that particular level, 3048. Okay, and once the price started going below that particular level, chance of touching a level of around 3038 we can see, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $3034. Okay, and once the price started going below this level, we can see a level of $3016, and then it will move below a level of $3001. Then there is a zone breakout. So for the downfall we can see towards 30.01, 30.01, and then from there a further fall we can see towards $29.81. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout. So for the downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you